Hi everyone, I hope everyone's doing well. Thank you so very much for talking to me right now. We had to pause our store hours given the coronavirus, and I hope everyone is staying healthy. But since we had no store hours, we thought we introduced this new thing called Belle's Last Stand, where we're going to show you some unique bras in unique sizes, one of a kind, from A to K, and on special. So we're going to be 40 to 50% off, and only for you if you have that size. Hi, today we have this final Fantasie Elodie bra. It's navy blue with a white sheer lace, fun applique on the bottom. It makes a nice sexy look. It has some applique also addressed on the straps. It has 2 hooks, but it has 3 settings, so it'll last you a long time. It gives a nice round look, and it is quality material, and it's under wire. It looks really pretty under clothes. It's a 30F, which is a 30 triple D or 30 quad D in the US size. It's priced at $78, and today we have it at 40% off at $46.80. It's the last one you can get, and if it fits you, you'll be very happy.